Hey, this is Nicole Whitlock with the eCom Seller Summit, and I have with me today one of our featured speakers, Miss Lusundra Everett.
Hey, hey, hey.
I'm so glad that she is here with us. Lusundra has an awesome topic for the summit, and I am not going to steal her thunder. I'm going to let her tell you because I'm excited about this topic. Everybody asked about it. So, Lusundra, just tell us a little bit about yourself and tell us a little bit about your topic for the summit.
Awesome. So thank you. I'm so excited to be a part of this summit. Like I said, I have seen the speakers on here, and to even be even, even mentioned in the same breath as some of these folks, I'm like, hey, okay, thank you for thinking of me. But my name is Lusundra Everett. I am the home biz tax lady, and I specialize in home business taxes. And I also have an e-commerce background. I've been learning a lot from Nicole, y'all. Okay, but I'm gonna be covering like the top 5 tax mistakes that e-commerce sellers make, and it costs you a bundle. And so we're gonna focus on that and tell you those things that the pitfalls that's costing you money, hunty. Okay. So, taxes is the biggest expense you will pay out of everything, out of paying for college, housing, food, raising kids. Taxes is the biggest expense. And what do we want to do? We want to cut those expenses. And so that's what we're going to be talking about.
Mm-hmm. See, so let me just tell you, I have been hosting training sessions for the last 4 or 5 years in our private Facebook groups. And every once in a while, I'll do some live ones on my wall. And I always inevitably, like multiple times a year, what do we do about taxes, especially new people that are starting? Mm-hmm. And my whole thing is I kind of like, I'm not here to give you tax advice. I'm going to tell you some things that we do. You need to get the accountant. I'm not here to answer your tax questions. You should keep a hold of these things. And I tell them, go get a tax person. And so this is the first time ever that we have pulled in a tax person that knows about e-commerce, that does e-commerce herself, mm-hmm. and that can answer questions. Like, this is a huge deal. This is a huge, huge deal. So I'm excited for her to share with the audience those 5 things. And then, as part of the summit, we have some amazing bonuses. And the bonuses, let me just start with the summit is free. Summit is free, and it is free for you to watch. It's just like going to a conference in a hotel. You get to watch all the speakers the day that they speak. So whoever's on stage on Monday, that's who you get to see. On Tuesday, that's who you get to see. Wednesday, that's who you get to see. Same thing with our summit. It's an online summit. So you get to see that person or those speakers that are on day 1 on that day, day 2 on that day, day 3 on that day. But if you want to go back, get the recordings, and if you want access to all of the bonuses, and there's a lot of bonuses, you got to get the All Access Pass. The All Access Pass will allow you the opportunity to go back, listen to the speakers. Now, this is one of the speakers. If you want to listen to somebody, like if you want to listen to somebody, there's going to be great content from all the speakers. There really is. But taxes is like a nemesis for some people. It's like crazy. So if you want to listen to somebody, you want to be able to go back and listen to what Lusundra has to say. Okay, so I encourage you, get the All Access Pass so you can hear what she has to say. And every speaker, they have a bonus to give away. And so does Miss Lusundra. So what bonus are you giving to our All Access Pass members?
Listen, I am giving away my own e-commerce tax prep workbook. And so what this is going to allow you to do is to get your whole tax life together in one place so that when you get ready to file taxes, it is not a nightmare.
See?
Right? It's like, isn't it cool? Be like, oh, it's tax season. Here's my stuff. Bye-bye. Where most people are like, oh my God, it's tax season. I don't have my stuff. You know what I mean? And yes. So using that workbook is going to help take the stress out of tax season and help you be organized, and so that you can run a profitable business. That's what I'm all about.
See, so here's the deal. E-commerce, you own your own business. You're an entrepreneur. The one thing you cannot run away from is taxes. Mm-hmm. You can't. So I would encourage you, if you're not really sure what you're doing, or if you're not sure what you're doing is correct, or you just want to get another perspective from a person, is you're certified, right?
Yes. I'm an enrolled agent. I am federally licensed by the IRS. Okay. That means that the IRS said I know what I'm doing. I'm just letting y'all know. Okay, that's what.
Okay. The IRS has said she knows what she's doing. So for those of y'all who don't know what you're doing, you might want to check in with somebody that knows what they're doing.
Mhm.
Again, as the Bible says, seek wise counsel. So I would encourage you, get the all access pass. You can go back and listen to what she has to say. You'll get the opportunity to take advantage of downloading or accessing her workbook, which is also going to help you launch your business the correct way.
Mhm.
You're going to be one of our featured speakers on day one, not intended to scare people, but intended to make sure that they get their business started right. So I'm excited. And so you want to go ahead and grab your ticket. The link is going to be somewhere up at the top, or it's going to be somewhere in the comments. Just grab your ticket to the eCom Seller Summit. The best thing about it, it is totally online, 100%. It's a virtual event. So it's an online e-commerce conference. The dates are March the 12th through the 14th. You can grab your ticket now. And on top of that, for those who put hashtag replay in the comments, share this video out to at least 10 different locations, we are going to be giving away, or I am going to be giving away, some inventory, 100 inventory items to a person that shares this out to at least 10 different locations. Your name gets in a drawing, and then what I'll do is on March the 10th, I'll pull a name out of the hopper and we'll announce them, and that person will get 100 inventory items shipped to them. I will personally pick them out. They will be ranked. So that means all you have to do is just put them in Amazon if you're going to list them on Amazon or list them on eBay, and put them in a box if you're going to send them to FBA or send them to Amazon for FBA, and you have something that's going to sell. Just saying.
That's worth the price of admission.
I know.
Okay.
That eliminates all the excuses of starting your business. You can get your business started. So, Ms. Lusundra, I'm so glad that you came out to talk to us. I'm looking forward to your session. I know it's going to be a blessing to a lot of people. There's going to be some shockers to some of these people.
Yes.
I can't wait until you share the information.
I'm excited for the event.
I am too. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be exciting.
It is going to be fire. Listen to me. I am going to be there. Okay. I am going to be there. So I'm going to got my notebook. I'm ready.
She says she's going to be fire. Okay.
I'm going to be there too. I'm going to be taking notes. I'm going to do my little part, but I'm going to be right there.
Okay.
Right.
Now, what did they say about that? Okay. Let me write that.
Mm-hmm. And get the replay. Okay. So just in case you miss it.
There you go. So I thank you for watching today's another episode of this is actually our speaker sessions. I've never really officially given it a name, so I'm going to give it a name. So thank you for watching another episode of the eCom Seller Summer Speaker Sessions. And we'll see you next time.
See y'all.
Bye.
Bye.